Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we can see that there is not much movement activity on the market right now. Market is more or less silent. There is very less volume in the market, so as a result the number of trading opportunities are very less, not only on GBP USD but also on other pairs as well. If you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY is right now standing at 101.80. This is the current market price, and as we all know it very well that DXY is fundamentally and technically both weak. There is not much positive vibe, positive energy around DXY, but still we can see a falling wedge pattern on the chart, and falling wedge pattern is a trend reversal pattern. And this week we do not have any big news also that may bring a trend reversal on DXY. So during this week, if any breakout also comes on the chart of DXY, then we need to be a little bit careful, because it may not be a complete trend reversal and it may not sustain, because for a trend reversal we need a fundamental factor that we do not have yet. And if DXY starts falling, then the previous levels like 100.80 will still be there to provide support to the market, and then we have the line at the bottom which will be around 100.50. These are the levels that should work as support in case market starts falling, but there's a good chance that DXY will break this line and will start moving higher. It may not sustain, but it will try its best. And right now there is not much volume. And my dear friends, before that process, I would like to mention that for any trade, be careful right now with any breakout or breakdown trades, because we do not have much volume right now, and for a proper breakout or breakdown we need volume in the market. If the volume is missing, then it can be a false breakout as well. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, after taking support around 1.2350 level, we saw a nice bounce, and the previous trend line, which was acting as the dynamic support, is right now acting as a dynamic resistance. And we can see here that GBPUSD is struggling in this particular portion of the chart. So right now in this particular level, I will not recommend any trade. You need to wait and watch where GBPUSD moves. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Previously we had a ascending triangle pattern, and I will say that the pattern is still not valid. The pattern is more or less still valid, and still there is a big possibility that GBPUSD will try to go for a breakout. And right now GBPUSD is stuck in this range here, so wait and watch. After a few hours, if you see that GBPUSD is trading inside the trend line or above the trend line, if you see that after a few hours GBPUSD is trading above the trend line, then you'll get a confirmation that okay, GBPUSD is bullish again, and it will be heading towards the resistance level of 1.2525 to 1.2550. This is the resistance on the chart of GBPUSD, and there's a good chance that okay, after breaking or after sustaining above the trend line, market will head towards 1.2525 or 1.2550. If you want, then you can go for a buy position as well, but be careful, follow proper risk management if you take a buy position above the trend line. Okay, so we need to wait for the market to move up if it really wants to continue the upside. And as we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market right now. Okay, so if market starts coming down with the same level of volatility, okay, then you can expect that the previous support will work again. The previous support of 1.2350, this was the previous support, and the volatility of the market will play a big role. So if the volatility of the market is low, if you see the market is coming down but there is not much volatility, you can expect the previous support to work again, and you can look for a buy. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing hammer kind of pattern or something like that. But in case market comes down, and especially during the US session or European session, if you see then market is falling with big red candles, it means that market has volume. in that case, market will break the support here because market will be coming down, forming a lower high. Okay, and formation of a lower high indicates that the buyers in the market are slowly losing their strength, and there is a possibility that market will break the support. In that case, you can look for a quick sell position as well. So the volatility of the market will decide whether the support will work or not, whether we will be going for a buy or sell. So let's wait and watch and observe the volatility of the market. And as long as market is trading around this level here, I will simply suggest you not to take any position. If you already have taken a sell position, okay, listen to me carefully. If you already have taken sell position, considering that market will be going down because the trend line is acting as dynamic resistance, you can be on the trade as well. And I would like to add here that we have a news coming up, inflation rate coming up year on year after 1 hour. So be careful. It may bring some volatility to the market. Not only GBP USD, any GBP pair. So if you have any open position on any GBP pair, please be careful because market may show some volatility and that may not be very healthy for your open GBP position. So this is my analysis on GBP USD, my dear friends. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, my dear friends, capital protection should be your first priority on this. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.